Hi, I'm going to teach you how to use the reloadable UMO card. With UMO, you get to select your best choice of payment methods based on your lifestyle and travel habits. I like having a fair product to hold on to, so I use the card. To start, pick up a reloadable UMO card for free from a nearby vendor. A list of vendors can be found on your Transit Systems Fare page under Where to Buy. With the reloadable UMO card, you get to decide how to load your card. In person, through a UMO vendor, online at ca.umopass.com, or over the phone by calling UMO support at 877-380-8181 toll-free. Your UMO card can be continually reused and reloaded with your fare product, cash balances, and passes. Your favorite fare products can even be set to renew, so you'll never be without a fare to ride. One thing I love about UMO is that it will always select the best fare for me. So if I have a pass and cash balance loaded to my card, UMO will apply my pass before using up a cash balance. In transit systems that offer a day pass, your UMO card will cap your fare after your second trip, meaning you'll never pay more than the value of a day pass. Or, if you are in a transit system that offers a transfer, UMO will recognize that you are traveling within the 90-minute transfer window, and you'll continue to travel for free on your second bus. No matter how you choose to load your card or what you put on it, it is recommended that you register your UMO card to ensure your funds are safe if misplaced, stolen, or damaged. To register it, all you need to do is visit ca.umopass.com or call 877-380-8181 and create an account with a unique username and password. When you're ready to go with UMO, look for the UMO validator near the driver. You'll know you're good to go when you hear the beep.